click on data editor. We are currently in browse mode. Now we want to change to edit the browse mode. Here we paste the data by paste special, and we treat first row as a variable name, then okay. Now this is data of Pakistan Stock Exchange. Now we treat this data as a time series. This is time variable. We click on date, then data. Here we change create new variable. In the variable name, here we take date 2. In the specification box we take date bracket open date comma. So this column shows that first we have taken month followed by days and then year. So here in the box we take M for month, D for date for day, and Y for year, and then close the bracket. Then okay, now we have created a new variable with the name date 2. Now here we change the format of the variable date 2. Click on format. This is daily data, and the format is first month, then days, and then year, then okay. Now our data is ready for analysis. Now we click on statistics, and first draw the graph, time series graph. Click on graph, time series graph, line graph. We set the data as a time series. Click on time setting, date 2, daily data, then okay. Now our data is set for analysis. First we take the graph, again click on time series graph, line graph, create. Along the vertical axis we take the stock returns, along the horizontal axis we take the time period, then accept, then okay. This is time series graph of Pakistan Stock Exchange. Along the vertical axis stock returns, along the horizontal axis we have time period. Again here we see it's some periods have high volatility and some periods have low volatility, so the variances are not constant over time. Now we test for arch effect. Click on time series, already we have set the data, so click on linear model, linear regression. So to test for arch effects, first it is necessary to take the arch1 model. So in the dependent variable we take stock return, independent variable lag dot r. This is a R1 model, and then okay. Now we have run the R1 model, AR1 model. So now we take the post estimation and again click on statistics. Here we have post estimation, test, time series test series specification after regress. Here we have different tests for heteroscedasticity, test for serial correlation, for Ramsey-Reza test. So here we use test for arch effects in the residual terms. We have different order of arch effect: arch 1 model, arch 2, arch 3. So for arch 1 effect, here we take 1. For arch 2 effect, we take 2. Now submit. We have the results. Now these are results of arch test. Here the null hypothesis is H0, no arch effects. Alternative hypothesis is arch path effect. So here the chi-square calculated value is 242.088 for 1 degree of freedom. Its probability value is less than 0.01. So here we reject the null hypothesis as the chi-square calculated value is greater than chi-square tabulated value for 1 degree of freedom, and accept the alternative hypothesis and conclude that there is arch effect in the data. If we examine high order arch effect in the data, so again repeat the test. Here we take for example 2, 3, 4 for arch 2 effect. Again the null hypothesis is no arch effect. Alternative hypothesis that here we have arch effect. Here the chi-square calculated value for 1 degree of freedom is greater than chi-square tabulated value, and its probability value is less than 0.05. So here we conclude that we reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis and conclude that there is arch effect in the data. Again here time series, time specification, for example for arch 3 effect. Specify, again specify, three. This is test for arch 3 effect in the data. Now we run arch model, time series, arch Garch model, arch or Garch model. In the dependent variable we take OR, in the independent variable we take L dot R, and here for first order arch effect in the data, then we take R lag 1, and for higher order arch effect we take 2, 3, 4. So arch 1 model, okay, we have the result obtained after several iteration. This is the mean equation, this is the variance equation. For testing higher order, again time series, arch model. For a higher order, for example if we examine in this data, for example if we have R6 effect, then 6 after several iteration we obtained the results, and all the probability value of all parameters are significant. So here we have R6 effect. Similarly, now we check for arch 7 effect in the data. 7 obtained after several iteration. Yes, here we have R7 effect. As the coefficients carry positive sign and the probability value are significant. Now we conclude that there is arch effect in the data.